Let's now dive into our second data structure called the dictionary. So let's think about a real dictionary. We get words, which we can look up, and we can then obtain the respective definitions for those words. Now a Python dictionary is very similar in that we get what are known as keys, which can be thought of as the words in a dictionary, and these keys have associated values, which can be thought of as the definitions. So a Python dictionary have what are known as key-value pairs, and if we look up a specific key in the dictionary, we'll be able to see the associated value. So if, for example, we have a grocery store, which could have a dictionary which stores all the items that the store sells as keys, the value could represent the price that each item costs. So if I were to look up apples in the dictionary keys, I could obtain the value which represents the price for apples. Now, more formally speaking, a Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items, with each item of a dictionary having a key-value pair, as mentioned. So let's create our very first dictionary. In a similar way to how we created lists, we can first of all create a variable which will store our dictionary. So we'll call this my_dict. We can then put the equal sign, and to create a dictionary, all we need to do is put curly braces. So where we used square brackets for lists, we use curly braces for dictionaries. If I now pass in the my_dict variable into the type built-in function, we can see that we have created a dictionary object, and we're now ready to use this new data structure. In the coming videos, we'll find out exactly how we can use them and how we can modify them.